DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media.
Hey friends, welcome to Luchimbi David, your host and producer at DevTech Media. This is your #1 news channel where news, trending videos, political news, gospel music as well as entertainment is concerned. There you go. Today I've got an update to give out to the public out there. Watch this.
And I've made a proposal that we don't need the Impress carrier the next time we travel. We don't need them. Let them stay home. Let them allow that Impress carton box to work for people. You know the carton box I'm talking about? Carton box of cash must stay here and take care of the interests of the people. I'm emphatic on this so that we get to understand each other, that there's a new way of doing things in town. So, we arrived in New York on the 20th of September and proceeded to engage with various stakeholders in New York. We met with numerous private investors who expressed interest in investing in various strategic sectors in our country. These include, sectors, energy, agriculture, technology. Very important. Technology is an important platform for us to lower our cost of doing business. Tourism, obviously understanding the COVID environment, but we are confident that soon tourism will rebound. Mining, of course, is important. Just amongst the few sectors that we engaged various potential investors in, knowing very well and sending a clear message that investors come to this country, we are the hosts, we have a population that need to be involved in these investments, even at the equity level, at the partnership level, at the joint venture level. We're sending a message out there, come and do business with us, but you have to work with the people of Zambia. And they are there, and they are capable. And we'll make it possible for that to happen going forward. This is in line, of course, with our commitment to revive the economy. And this is the ticket upon which we were elected. To revive the economy is the trump card of our election. Zambians want a change. To do what? To deliver a turnaround in the economy. What is this turnaround meant in the economy? What is the change Zambians wanted? Jobs. To create jobs. And I hear a lot of messages, where are our jobs? They're coming. We have first to fix the economy. There will be no job that will come from a rock. As you know, milk comes from a cow. It doesn't come from a rock. To get milk from a cow, you have to feed the cow first. Then to convert the feed into milk. It's as simple as that. 1 month into office, we are moving in the right direction to fulfill the agenda that the Zambians elected us to do for our people, always for our people, especially the youth. We understand your agitation because you were deprived for years, 10 years, even more. Now is the time to be able to be alert to say, what is your government doing? The first step your government is doing is to turn around the economy. I like repeating things so that they are understood correctly. Turn around the economy. To turn around the economy, we need to bring investments in different sectors. And that's where your participation will be facilitated. Then your jobs. Then your business opportunity to supply, if you run a business, goods and services. That's why we've set up a Ministry of Small Medium Enterprises. So there we can make you work your way through to becoming a supplier of goods and services. Or, as I'm reminded, works. That's what they say in government, goods, services, works. That is our intention. That's why we took the first step. It's very important that Zambians understand that nothing will happen without a turnaround in the economy. You won't get the health services you want. You won't get the education you want. You won't get for the university students, you won't get your meal allowance you want, which you need if there's no turnaround in the economy. That's our trump card. That's why you put us in office. We also engaged foundations, various foundations, development partners who offer to assist, to work with us in our country in various areas of development, again for the benefit of our citizens. You know that there's a sector in our country which requires support through foundations, through development partners. On the 23rd of September, your servant, myself, I delivered my maiden address to the United Nations General Assembly. I'm sorry it was delivered because of time zone difference quite late in this country. I think some of you needed to be in bed. Can we fix this thing, please? This is why we need technological changes, right? Honestly, we can't be such old-fashioned, eh?
Thank you very much for tuning in at DevTech Media. Remember, DevTech Media is the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music, as well as entertainment. Please don't forget to click that subscription button and that notification bell to be the very first person to receive the video that will be produced and posted by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you.